Group of organs working together make up a body system like circulatory system that controls the supply of blood in the body. In this chapter, we are going to learn about skeletal system. A skeleton system. We know that in our body there are different types of bones in it. The bones together form a framework called the skeleton. The skeleton protects the delicate system such as brain, heart and the lungs. It also allows movement to our body. When we are born, our body has 350 bones. When we become an adult, our body has around 206 bones. This is because as we grow, some of the bones joins together. They contain a soft tissue called bone marrow. New blood cells are produced here. Bones are made up of tissues. They have nerves and blood vessels. On the outside, bones are very hard. However, from inside, they are very soft and spongy. Now let's move to the parts of skeleton. The skeleton is made up of many parts. First one is skull. The skull is made up of 22 bones. Out of these, 8 bones house and protect the brain. The remaining 14 bones make up the face. Of the 22 bones in the skull, only the lower jaw bone is movable. Now let's move to the backbone. It is also known as spine. The backbone is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. They form a column which protects the spinal cord. Now next we have rib cage. It is a cage-like structure formed by 12 pairs of bow-shaped bones called ribs. It protects important organs such as the heart and the lungs. The rib cage has another long bone in the front called sternum. The ribs are attached to the sternum in the front and to the backbones at the back. The last 2 pairs of ribs, however, are attached only to the backbone and not to the sternum. That is why they are known as floating ribs. Now, limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs in our body. Forelimbs, that is the arms, and the hind limbs, that is our legs. Our arms and legs are made up of many bones. Humerus is a bone in the upper arm. The hand and wrist have several small bones. The thigh has a long bones called femur. It is the longest bone in the body. It bears the whole weight of the body. There are many small bones in the feet also. Now next we have girdles. There is a pair of pectoral girdles that forms the shoulder and a pair of pelvic girdles that forms the hip. The humerus bones of the upper limbs is attached to the pectoral girdle and the femur bones of the lower limbs to the pelvic girdles. Bones are held together by a strong tissues called ligament. So students, I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you and have a good day.